This is kind of cute. Since we came back from the beach, Chloe's been zonked, snoozing, and Ollie has been standing there like, what did you do to my dog? You broke my dog. And he comes up here and sniffs her and then goes back down the hallway to eyeball her when he's usually behind the couch, so it's pretty cute. He thinks I broke his dog. Still hear it. Did you hear that, lizard? You are an unauthorized person on private property. You've been trespassed, and you must evacuate immediately. What a pisser, lizard. You gotta go.